Hello, hello, hello. My name is Blunderbuss, and today I'm going to go over the most elite weapon to me in the game. Boom, Blunderbuss. Let's go over the weapon just by glancing at the stat card. Okay, so no range on it, as you can see. Two rounds of the clip. They go very fast. Pop, pop, fastest reload. So agility, you run super fast because it's one hand, like all the other one hand weapons that you need to, like other one hand weapons that you need to use. Shout out to Jamezdoesgaming for huge shout out to him. I'm gonna put his YouTube channel in the description. Good YouTuber, runner up, starter. Just like me, I ain't no healthy guy. He ain't no healthy guy. You just gonna sit here and do some great content until blow up. So shout out to Jamezdoesgaming. Let's get this video to 15 views, and I will do the multiplayer montage, not a montage, but multiplayer no audio video. Okay, so for now it's gonna be missions. Going rocket, any map. What about mobile lightning? To me, only legit skin is good now. Let's get to it. Okay, that was first of all. That was the most wicked mistake ever. When you see Rocket Crush, go after him. Okay, who else is on there? Whiplash, the straight for Rocket Crush. So, that's the guy who can kill you. What? Who is this guy? Oh my goodness, I'm going up against Blizzard. First time facing Blizzard. No, you not. Ooh, that's the kill though. They kill Blizzard. We, not you. Just Blizzard again. Okay, I got killed again. I'm about to look at a weapon. No, not. Straight Blunderbuss. Straight, no, I'm gonna get stuns. I passed. Okay, so I'm gonna go up against Blizzard like Siege King. Nobody gonna kill him but me. Because nobody wants to kill their best friend, Blizzard. Oh, he dropped a bomb. Take it off, kill shot. Take it off, seize it out. Take anybody who comes up to it out and one shot, or 2 shots. Okay, I'm gonna get to Blizzard, kill him one more time. Get him. Get the kill. Cut. Ooh, let's go. Some cash. That's money. Oh, you barely missed. You barely missed. I brushed my toe. Now my toes are burned. So, let's get to it.
I just hit her.
Sorry for the background interruptions. That is my sister. So, shout out to Jamezdoesgaming. Subscribe to him on YouTube, and if that guy, and if this video gets hit to 15 views, we're gonna do a multiplayer video with him playing with him. And woohoo! Let's go get captured 5 goals from Blizzard. Not gonna buy that. Got 5 gold, got 5 back gold, and I need 80 more gold to get back to the stuff I bought the Blunderbuss. I had a lot of footage, but as you see, it got messed up. So, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button in the face and subscribe for more. Bye bye.